Everyone overlooks GoKollab's integration and high level. But here's the truth. It might be the most underrated tool in the whole platform because it gives you the ability to launch masterminds, communities, and training courses as a service your clients can monetize. And I'm not just talking theory here. You see, in my main company, Expert Hatch Training, we've used this exact setup to run our own courses and communities. So let me show you how you can do the same for your agency clients. Now, most agencies get trapped in the same cycle. They sell lead gen, websites, or SaaS seats. That's great. It helps. But eventually their clients start asking, what else can you do for me? So if you don't have a compelling answer, you risk churn. On the other side, content creators and educators are overwhelmed. You see, they're taping together platforms such as Kajabi for courses, Circle for community, Facebook groups, Shopify for products, Patreon for subscriptions. Every app is another login, another integration, another headache. And businesses, they know customer loyalty comes from connection and education, but they don't know how to build it. You see, they keep chasing new sales instead of keeping the people that they already have. So really, without a system that ties all of this together, everyone loses revenue. Agencies, creators, and the businesses themselves. And this is where GoKollab changes really everything. Because instead of being just another feature, GoKollab becomes the central hub where masterminds, memberships, communities, and courses really live under a single roof. And really, what's the best part? You see, as an agency, you can actually package this as a complete done-for-you service. Here's what that would look like. Maybe you start selling something like a mastermind setup, where you build a branded space where your client can host their paying inner circle. You can then offer to create and structure courses for them, organizing their knowledge into structured training, onboarding, upsells, heck, even certifications or expertise that they can sell to their clients and customers. And then you can focus on communities. You see, you can design an exclusive space where your clients start inviting in their customers to connect, share, as well as stay engaged with their services and products. And all of that can be monetized. You can set up monthly subscriptions, one-time products, or even premium tiers. You see, this is exactly how I built Expert Hatch Training. We use GoKollab to deliver IT training paths, we run group mentoring programs, and we host communities where students collaborate. You see, instead of juggling 6 different tools, everything happens inside of a single ecosystem. And because it's powered by HighLevel, we tie in automation that keeps students engaged through nurture emails, SMS check-ins, as well as reminders. So for agencies, really the same principle applies. You're not just running ads anymore. You can deliver an ecosystem where your client can monetize over and over again, and that's extremely powerful. Let me give you another concrete example. You see, here at Expert Hats, we sell training courses that prepare students for IT roles. But the real value isn't in just the videos. It's really in the community and the mentoring layer that surrounds that. And so we use GoKollab to host career path courses where students follow structured lessons. We then run a community forum where learners can ask questions, they share wins, they get support for certifications, as well as study opportunities. And then we offer guided learning masterminds where members can join live group sessions. We automate nurture campaigns then that keep learners progressing through the courses and their progress. We help with reminders, encouragement, and we even send out event invites. You see, this combination makes really our training courses sticky. So students don't just buy once and disappear. They stay engaged. They show up to sessions and they remain part of the community. That stickiness is what every business wants. So now imagine giving that power to your clients. Perhaps maybe you're pitching to a fitness coach where they can run a $99 a month mastermind plus a course library. You can then pitch to a local contractor where they could build a homeowner community and then provide seasonal checklists and training through that platform. Perhaps you pitch to a marketing consultant where they could run premium mastermind with upsell products built right into the store. And you, the agency, you're really the one who can offer to set it up, automate it, and hand them a system that really makes them money every single month. And that's the value add. So here's the big takeaway with all of this. GoKollab isn't just a hidden tab in HighLevel. It's a way to build masterminds, monetize communities, and courses your clients can sell, just like what we've done at ExpertHeads. And when you package this as a service, it becomes a whole new revenue stream for your agency too. So if you're ready to start building services like this one, here's what to do. First, start your 30-day HighLevel trial through my link, and I'll include the 72-hour starter pack as a bonus. It's the exact sub to get you landing clients fast. Then join GHL Money Labs for ongoing playbooks and support. We break down the exclusive $100 million playbook series and show you how to apply it directly inside HighLevel so you can scale with confidence. And full transparency, if you choose to use my affiliate links, I may earn a commission at no extra cost to you. It's one way I support the channel while giving you access to the exact tools that I use. Now, I've got a question for you. If you could launch a mastermind or community tomorrow, what would it be about? Drop your idea in the comments. I'd love to hear it.